up to our niece family? Welcome back, and today we're going to be showing you a fun thing you can do on a summer day if you're bored. What you'll need are some paints, some paintbrushes, and an egg carton. So first, you gotta find however many paints as there are eggs in the egg carton, and you have to paint all the spaces in the egg carton. So let's do that. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Let's go. Make sure you stick around until the end so you can see what fun we have with the egg carton. Now we have to wait for it to dry. See you in a minute. We finished painting it. We did the top and the inside with all the colors. So what you do is you go for a walk and you have to try to find all the colors and find a thing that can fit into each little one. And you're trying to find the whole rainbow. So let's go. What I found, pink? Pink or red? I think it should be pink.
Yeah.
Pink. Okay.
Pink. Pinky. Oh, yellow! What that would be? Yellow. Yellow. Wait, I'm gonna flip it.
Orange?
Whatever. I'll just do it.
Green.
Green! I got orange too. Close it quickly. What about brown? Oh, brown. Oh my gosh.
What's brown?
This dead thing.
We need to find something. Oh, gray.
We still need 2 shades of blue, red, purple, and black.
I see black. I see black.
What is it?
I don't know.
Let's just use it.
There it is. Let's keep going.
Oh, I guess it's their mulch.
Yeah.
They must have had a delivery. They have some red on these leaves.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Do you have
Right here.
There's a teeny tiny purple flower.
I don't know if it's like...
Oh, there's bigger ones over there.
There is? Look at this one.
I got this one, guys.
I got this one. That's purple.
Purple.
Let's keep going. Yeah.
Look!
What's that? Purple?
Yeah. I got a purple flower.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That looks so pretty.
Oh my gosh, we need a lot of.
Oh, look at this. Purple.
Purple.
Here's some white.
Fell on the ground.
White.
Ready. I'm gonna smell them. They smell pretty. I'm just joking. They smell like nothing. Oh, I found something.
What is it?
It's an acorn.
What do you think? More brown.
Girls.
Yeah.
Red leaf.
Red leaves.
It's red
That's
and
bright
pink.
red.
It's red and pink.
Red.
Oh, I found something.
Red. What is it?
Red. Yeah.
Oh, red flower petals.
Mm-hmm.
Must have been carried on the wind.
This is like pink, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. I think we should switch it out. Let's take out this one. And do this one. This big.
Look, guys. Sun has some.
This is like bluish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could say it's bluish.
Yeah.
Which one?
Dark blue.
Okay. Now we just need light blue.
Yeah.
Is this a petal or is this garbage.
That looks like garbage.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh. That's pretty.
Let's take out these two.
Let's do them with them.
Okay.
Oh, guys, look. It's a
It's
brown.
more full and pretty.
Oh, look at yellow leaf. We don't have a whole lot of yellow.
There's another one.
We found all the colors but blue, so now we're going to check our yard again to see if we can find any blue. We have some blueberries that we could take. Can I take this one?
Yeah.
Two. Now let's go see if we can find any like robin eggs in the backyard or something.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find any blue in our backyard.
I found a nest over here before. I found blue.
Wait, what? Hold on.
Can we touch it?
Hold on. Hold on. You found one.
Can we touch it?
Can I touch it?
Yeah, it's broken. Let's see.
Oh no, it was stuck to the bottom.
Yay,
we did it! Woo! Here it is, it's all done. We found all the colors. This was super fun. Blue was the hardest color to find. Tell us in the comments down below what color was hardest for you guys to find. See you guys next time. Bye!